Breaking news, cord cutting hits another record. More bad news for traditional cable and satellite TV providers. Over 33 million pay TV customers dropped their service in 2018. Analysts reported that about 985,000 more customers dropped cable or satellite TV during the first quarter of 2019, as providers charge increasingly higher prices for skinnier bundles. But stop the presses, no need to fear. There is a new sheriff in town, and its name is NUmedia Global, the new media for the entire world. For only $49.95 a month, you can now enjoy over 1,600 live HD channels, including all pro sports and most college games, 8,000 commercial-free on-demand movies, and over 900 TV series plus premium channels like HBO, Cinemax, Showtime, and Stars. You even get select pay-per-view events. That's incredible. Enjoy a huge selection of international TV and movie channels from around the world. Wait a minute. This just came in. NUmedia has announced that it is giving away their amazing service for free to anyone for 7 whole days. No credit required. Yes, you heard it right. NUmedia will now let you try their award-winning service for free for 7 full days. $49.95 subscribers who refer 5 can now get their service for free. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, NUmedia doesn't cost, it pays. Get your free trial today, not tomorrow, by visiting freestreamingmedia.com.